Bullish Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.80 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked enthusiastically to foster a unique digital money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments and replaceable nearby cash. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a far-reaching value expectation of the Nexo cost. Nexo key investigation. In spite of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very vulnerable and, as other cryptographic forms of money, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a huge increment that proposed a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level force until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed terrible showing, the Nexo cost showed dependability, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 critical digital currencies are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, AXI, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is many times lower, clients can procure up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was delivering 7%. Nexo has noteworthy trust pilot evaluations, but there are additionally obviously a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized examination. The cost of Nexo has a brilliant viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as per all suitable cost forecast information. Nexo current cost. Nexo is right now worth $1 USD. Nexo has moved 1.66% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,185,143. Nexo is right now positioned 70 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $569,533,842 USD. Nexo value forecast 2022. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.50. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. Nexo value expectation 2023. In 2023, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.50. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. Nexo value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. Nexo value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2025. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. Nexo Value Forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $6.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2028. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Nexo cost in 2030 is projected to be $9.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.40. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is reliant upon the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how Nexo will foster from now on. You could likewise explore the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a money's careful worth ahead of time because of the unpredictable idea of the digital currency market. A notable digital currency that has so far been effective is Nexo. Nexo speculations can be savvy moves. However, you ought to hold off on huge ventures until the market is in a down market. Keep up with attention to ongoing business sector changes, with the goal that you might